Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this completely free app from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. After that, you need to tap on I accept in the pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you finished, click at the top right corner and the bottom one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Apply and select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of those options. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!